Special canvas gives weathered look. Metal hardware for durability. Durable canvas protects equipment. Weatherproof canvas is still breathable. Comes with ointment to restore original appearance. Top reviews from the United States. Love this bag. Bought it for its versatility and ruggedness and to carry my Fujifilm X100T, with lens hood mounted, which fits inside the one compartment padded insert that is provided. I positioned the compartment to one side and what space remains is large enough for my SLR with lens, whenever I also decide to carry that one. The remaining space is not padded, so you just have to be careful, otherwise buy the extra padded insert that Domke makes for this bag. What I really like is that I can also easily fit a book or two in the extra space, if I don't carry another camera. I made what I think are a couple of improvements to the design of the bag. At the back pocket, which is large enough to carry a full-size iPad, I sewed a little velcro at the top to help keep it closed whenever I carry my smaller iPad mini there. I also added a leather shoulder pad to the strap where it sits on my shoulder to minimize eventual wear to the strap. I plan on keeping this bag for a while.